What's up? Good evening, guys. Evening. How you guys doing today? This is your boy Arthur Kamba in the Flash. So we're just gonna do today is I'm about to tell you a story. So what happened was yung ex na liniligawan ko, I had a crush on her. Everything like that. She's only 19 like that, but I am mistaken for it. So yeah. And now I mistake again today because I just accepted from a stranger a wallet and the owner called him and that hopefully it's not gonna be bad for tomorrow. We're just gonna hopefully for that if he comes to school and I'll give the wallet back to her or him or whatever. But yeah, I was scared. I think he's a student from St. Nicholas. I heard him. I don't know, but yeah, mistakenly. Man, I had mistake. I don't know why. I'm so dumb as fuck though. Yeah, I'm dumb.
Yan ang goal, pero kapos sa energy, nakakasakit pa. Akala ko complete ang vitamins mo, plus Enervon Z+. Para ang goal mo, happening na! Enervon Z+. Help get more energy, more
Let's
immunity,
get
more
to karaoke, guys. So yeah. But yeah, continue from the story. My ex na liniligawan ko. It's not my girlfriend or anything like that. I feel like she used me, everything. And I've been overthinking, and now she said that it's toxic too much and everything like that. So I was like, okay, fine, go ahead. Good luck from your past. I know you're still thinking about your 1 year na nililigaw sa'yo din. So just go with him. I don't even care anymore. So yeah. Di ko maintindihan ang nilalaman ng puso tuwing magkahawak ang ating kamay. Pinapanalangin lagi tayo magkasama. Hinihiling bawat oras kapiling ka. Sa lahat ng aking ginagawa, ikaw lamang ang nasa isip ko, sinta. Sana'y di na tayo magkahiwalay kahit kailan paman. Ikaw lamang ang aking minamahal. Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong inaasam. Makapiling ka habang buhay, ikaw lamang sinta. Wala na akong hihingin pa, wala. Wala na, sasasakyan. Hindi ko naman papakyan. Nasa pa. Ayoko nang maulit pa ang nakaraang ayokong maalala. Bawat oras na wala ka, parang mabigat na parusa. Huwag mong makakalimutan na kahit nag-iba, di ako tumigil magmahal sa'yo, sinta. sa lahat ng aking ginagawa. Ikaw lamang ang nasa isip ko, sinta. Sana'y di na tayo magkahiwalay. Kahit kailan paman, ikaw lamang ang aking minamahal. Ikaw lamang ang tanging kong inaasam. Makapiling ka habang buhay, ikaw lamang sinta. Wala na akong hihingin pa, wala. Ooh, ooh. Wow, 6 minutes, guys. God damn. Ikaw lamang ang aking minamahal. Ikaw lamang ang tanging kong inaasam. Makapiling ka habang buhay, ikaw lamang sinta. Wala na akong hihingin pa, wala. Alright, this is produced to you by